You helped them win and they forgot your name. Classic, right? That's what day 17 of our Hanuman Chalisa journey is really about. How to stay graceful when you are helped build someone else's empire. If this journey inspires you, please consider following or subscribing so we can keep walking through these 40 verses, one truth at a time. Tulsidas writes, Tumharo mantra vibhishana mana, Lankeshwara bhaya sab jagat jana. By following your counsel, Vibhishana became the king of Lanka. This truth is known across the world. At first glance, it sounds like a victory story. Hanuman gave advice, Vibhishan listened, and then rest is history. But Tulsidas isn't just telling us who became king. He's revealing what service looks like, the kind that gives and doesn't demand to be remembered. Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, there was a woman named Dr. Vasanti Mohan, a teacher at a medical college in Chennai. For decades, she trained hundreds of doctors. Some became global experts, directors, policy advisors. At an alumni event, one of his students, now a top surgeon, was asked in an interview, "What inspired you the most in your early years?" He simply replied, "There was a professor who taught us anatomy. She was so dedicated, so humble that she made us believe medicine isn't about fame, it's about service." I wish I could remember her name. A reporter traced that quote back to Dr. Vasanti. When she was told, she said, "If he remembers the lesson, he doesn't need the name." That's Tumharo Mantra Vibhishana Mana. When your guidance echoes even when your name fades, you have already done your work. Let's step into Ramayana when Rama's army was camped at the shore of Lanka. A figure descended from the sky, Vibhishan, Ravan's younger brother. He came not as an enemy, but as a man torn by truth. He had watched Ravana defy Dharma, mock sages, and kidnap Sita. He could no longer stay silent, so he left his palace, flew to Rama's camp, and stood there, alone, unarmed, in surrender. Sugriv was suspicious. Angad warned caution. The Vanara warriors whispered, "He is Ravana's brother." But Hanuman, steady, calm, discerning, spoke up. "My lord, I met him in Lanka. His words are true. His heart boasts to you." That one sentence changed everything. Rama accepted Vibhishana. He said, "Whoever comes to me for refuge, I will never reject." And after the war, Rama crowned Vibhishana as king of Lanka. Tumharo mantra Vibhishana mana, Lankeshwar bhai sab jag jana. But Hanuman, he didn't stay for the coronation. He didn't expect a title, a reward, or even gratitude. He simply bowed and returned to serve. Because true givers don't wait for thanks. Their joy is in seeing dharma restored. That's why Tulsidas wrote this verse, not to praise advice, but to praise surrender in service. So let me ask you this. Have you ever helped someone rise only to be forgotten later? Given your time, your energy, your heart, and watched them walk away without a word. It hurts, doesn't it? But here is the thing. What's forgotten by people is never forgotten by purpose. Hanuman didn't guide Vibhishan for recognition. He guided him because it was right. That's what this verse teaches. Truth doesn't need credit to be powerful. So, when someone walks away after you have helped them, don't close your heart, smile. Because your intention is your real legacy. Now say it softly with me. Tumharo mantra vibhishana mana, Lankeshwara bhaya sab jag jana. Feel that energy. You don't need a crown to prove your worth. Sometimes the guide is greater than the king. Tomorrow, day 18, we will explore how Hanuman's selflessness turns into strength, how surrender creates true leadership, and how quiet service shapes destinies. One verse a day, one quality to awaken, one truth that what's given with grace is never lost. Jai Hanuman.